La kalamis ang posisyon diha. Diri ma'am. Hala. Siya tag-iyaan ni diri day. Kana. Kana siya bayhana. Oh, sige. Dali, dali. Hali ma'am, interview ho na to. Ma'am, kanang pila na ka-decades ma'am nga ang imong kuan ma'am nga inani ra guni siya way mga balay.
I think the decades that we are not. Hi sir.
Hello. Sige.
Sa akong edad no, decades ron.
Oh.
Murag 4 decades na kay 40 na mo kapin. Every decades 10 years, you know. You know,
10 years.
all of us decades.
Yeah.
But
One
your question
decade
is
equivalent to
what is
10
your
years.
question?
Unsa may imo ikaalaga diri sa imong mga bisita o kanang mo kuan sila diri sa imong lugar madayo ba?
The best thing that I would be offered to you is to see the beauty nature in this world, that the created of God.
Muna.
The nature, the beauty nature, the creation of God.
Oh. Tumpak. Yeah.
Yes.
As you can see, the view is here is very very nice na.
The creation of God, what God loved us.
Oh,
He gave us a beauty nature that we could see. We could see everything, what can, but something they can some people doesn't know that
Yeah.
we. Yung basara na to ba? Ako Bisayon.
Bisaya. It's up to you. You
Yung
have
basara
the
na
right
to.
to express.
Some people doesn't know what is the reality, what God give us.
Yeah, yeah.
But
La kanindot sa iyang motor.
ikat.
Kisa may siya ma'am. Ina siya motor no? Jekas ay. Si kasulti niya sa iyang motor day.
Ayun, cut mo.